Hello students, this is the next part of word processing chapter. You are with Learn with NS. I am Nishant Srivastava. In this particular topic, we will learn about applying character formats. Now, applying character formats, we have been used these things many times, like changing the text size, text color, text layout, and many more things. So here we will revise these things again. You can use these things on your laptop also or your computer also if you have so. Uh, the first thing in this particular topic is working with character formatting, and it is there are different highlighting options there. We can highlight any part of the screen, any part of the text according to our need. Like in this particular text, I want to highlight this concern. Okay, so if we want to highlight this concern, we can use different types of things. Like we have to go to the group option of font groups on the home tab, and we will see the bold option. If we use the bold option, you can see that the text became bolder. If we use the italic option, then the text becomes slightly slant on the right side. Other thing is underline option. We can underline these. We can use these all options at once, or we can use only one option at once. Okay, you can see all the things working here. We can use this strike through option also. Strike through option just is used for striking through the text on the screen. As per as your need, you can use these options. Okay, other things, we can highlight with colors. Like if we use these colors to highlight any particular selected text, so first we have to select the particular text, then we can use these all highlighting options there. Okay, the another thing is font color. Now if we want to change the color of the font here, if you want the change of color of a particular part, like this part, so we have to go to change font color. Okay, and we can use any color from the palette. If we use the red color, it automatically gets to the red. Okay, we can use the font face to change the design of the text or the font of the text. If we want this particular text written differently, so we can use this option, or any particular type of option which can be done. You can see that these written text can be converted into different type of rewriting text. So we can use this font face option to change the design of the text. Other thing, we can use the font size option to change the size of the text. Now for changing the size of the text, we can use different ways, like this particular drop down menu. We can use this drop down menu for changing the text of the size of the text, or we can use these buttons, simple toggle buttons, to use to change the text, like this upper button, like grow font option can use to grow the font. The shrink font option can be used to shrink or make the font smaller in the look. Okay, you can see how it works on the clicks. Okay, now other thing is superscript and subscript. Now everywhere we can see that if we want to write a particular we can see here, if we see, if we want to write any formula, or a square plus b square, like or 10th. Okay, so we have been using like a square plus b square. Okay, so it is just a2 and b2, it's not square. If we want to do that square, we have to select this and go to this superscript option. It just gives the any selected text to the upper side of the text. You can see that it became smaller and go to the upper of the text, so it can be superscripted. If we want it in down, like if you want a particular formula like H2SO4, you know that it is a formula for sulfuric acid. If you want to H2SO4, then we have to select this and get to the subscript option. Okay, we have to select the 4, we have whatever we want, and go to the subscript or superscript. You can see this in the screen. Okay, how it can be written on the screen. So I hope you understood different things like superscript and subscript. At X2 in the 2 written into the bottom, it is subscript, and that 2 and that 2 written on the top, it is superscript. Other thing is uh, clear formatting. Now we want all the formatting of this particular thing. We have whatever formatting we have done to this, we have to clear all these things. So we have to just go to this clear formatting option here. Okay, and if we just click on that, you can see that all the formatting have been gone automatically. Okay, so now other thing is change case. Now it is a very important thing. Like if we want this all things or this all text changed its case, right? Case, that uppercase, lowercase. Okay, we want all these text into the uppercase. So how can we do that? We can go to the change case option, that is right here. You can see that you go to change case, lowercase, uppercase, sentence case, capitalize each word, and toggle case. There are 5 different cases here. Sentence case, that means the first letter of or first word of the first letter of the first word of the sentence will be uppercase. Lowercase, that means all the things will be in lowercase. Uppercase, that means all the text will be in the uppercase. Capitalize each word, that means each word of the sentence will be capitalized. Toggle case means the capital words will be converted into small words, or the uppercase will be converted into lowercase, and lowercase will be converted into uppercase. Okay, so that's all for the for this session. See you in the next. Thank you.